What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know, say a girl Prinix, so back at it again with another banger. Don't mind my ear, it's the Anyways, today's Jesus Christ for a chain. Anyways, today's video is about translating dancehall songs into English. I don't know, say a girl can talk proper English already. Anyways, let's get right into it.
You're my best view.
Let's go play the first part so we can like translate it, like the first line on something, because I don't want to get copyright claim. So, okay, let me start. I want to be good. Yes, that is what I want. I'm gonna type in Jada Kingdom. Them internet connection here is shit. Marvelous on to feelings. Girl, you have me now, my feelings. Yeah. Like you don't remember, I warned you about this something here, and I told you that this is something that you aren't ready for. I like your temper, man. You're different. You're not regular. But that I made that gunman shift. Mad. Intellectual murder people edition. Cock on fire full of gun like Remington. Fully charge up, eager for kill a man, ratty gang, femi gang, something run up if you're bad. Kryptonite me down, do the must fight. In the middle of the day, we make the players get noisy. Bobby lane, pan. Take a 3 pints, Lord Jesus Christ, this me. You must be sick. And a 17, I drop in on this 45 clip, me gun them now stick. Intellectual murder people edition. Kakam fire full a gun like Remington. Fully charged up, eager to kill a man. Ratty gang, femi gang. I can't femi. Somebody say Ratty gang, my gang. Something run up if you're bad. Them laugh there crack me up all the time, bro. Hi, no more recommended now come up, brother. Pretty Girl TM by Alkaline. Pretty girl with a body that would mad anybody. I had to put her on my team. If I that team say, yeah. If I that team say, I that. I say that, yeah, you see me. It's a 450 journey. Me go listen it. Probably me know it. So right now, I am on a journey. Give my all to some people, which is not worthy. I gave my heart to a girl who doesn't deserve. I gave my heart to a girl who doesn't deserve it. Squash, rate or rate you. If you rate me, I rate you. Be full up. Anyway, I don't like people. I don't chat to my neighbor. I don't chat. I chat. I don't chat to my neighbor. My clip is full. One is up in the chamber. Ha. Some man is too easy to switch, dog. That is why they're easy to kill. That's why you catch them with the 17, dog. I never had a 14 say about that me here. Pull back on the trigger. Guard up with your aisle. Ring. Load up of enough duffy. Yeah, correct. Dog them a dial. Chopper. No debates. I never saw you, mama. I do Javinci Virgin. Don't know. Pretty skin in birthday suit. Pretty skin in birthday suit. Tonight, just wear your favorite perfume. And put your phone on do not disturb too. Tonight, I have you on a curfew. Take a sip of the liquor. Girl, you really turn me on. Play your favorite song and bend over. Bend over, girl. Alright, so guys, that's the end of it. Me sad because I don't know. Anyways, guys, and please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on post notification. And I don't know root every grass. Don't make me have to ask them twice. I don't make. But I don't know root every grass. Subscribe for me. Like up the thing for me. Comment on the thing for me. Share the thing for me. Make me know what else you want. And you see me?